Dun dun dun.
There's a box in the box.
We got this.
Oh, sure.
That's me.
No.
No good.
No.
Oh, wait.
What is it?
Ew.
What do you?
No, I don't know.
Whoever you are, like, I feel like we could be friends. You're really getting it in there.
This is an alive thing.
It is. I know what it is, and I'm excited. It's a baby. It's a little baby alligator. Oh, alligator? Can I hold it? Like for real?
Yeah, let me see.
He's cute.
Oh,
He's crying.
friend. Told you we could be buddies. Oh, I know, right? How about the fact that we were like terrified a second ago, and now we're like, oh, a baby.
Oh, I love you.
Do we know its name?
Can we name it? One of your ladies.
Oh, she's Sophia.
Hey, Sophia.
Was that pee? What did we touch that was wet?
Was it pee?
Wash your hands.
Aw. Is there any antibacterial? Like close?
Napkin, please.
He's really cute though. All things pee, right?